this tutorial is for some breaks. Pre-breaks. I want you to be able to chest hoop or chest hoop with your arms in, shoulder hoop, whatever we want to call it. We're going to take the hoop and we're going to put it over the top of our body, and it's going to sit with our arms inside it and underneath, just on top of where our elbows are. We're going to make sure that we've got full coverage with our back and the backs of our arms. Super important. Our stance. We're going to stay pretty planted into the ground. Yeah, make sure that we've got that full coverage on the back as mentioned, and we're not going to swing side to side. We're going to start with some drills, and for this drill I'm going to push the hoop over with one hand. This is my right hand, and then I'm going to catch it underneath with my left hand, which is going to be the break hand. Yeah, I'm then going to catch and pull over, and this pull over bit is really important. So I'm catching the hoop underneath and I'm pulling it over, and I'm making sure that I feel it tapping on my arm or the back of my shoulder when I do so. So over. So pulling it over. My body is nice and straight. I'm pushing it, catching it, pulling it over. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace one of these hands with a break. So let's go right side to left. The break is going to come up. It's going to happen at the side of your body, and it's going to happen on your wrist. And you are going to trap it at the side of the body with your wrist. Boom. So push over, boom. Push over, boom. And I'm hitting right at the side. And you'll find that you should feel, when you do your break, you should feel the hoop on the opposite side hitting you when you do your break. So there should be two doosh, doosh, yeah? Two things are being felt, and that is letting you know that that is straight. Yeah, so practice one side. Practice the other side. Once we've got there, we can just go straight in. And as you see, the break's happening at the side of your body. It is here in between your wrist and the top of your arm and the back. You can see I'm not moving around much at all. On this side, the front. And that's about it. Once you've got that, you can start to think about adding paddles or any other kind of break that you want to do, but we can go into them another time. So remember, don't move around loads. Keep yourself planted, nice and straight. Remember, you want to feel it on two sides of your body, your break and the opposite side on the back. Your break is going to happen with your wrist. It's going to happen up here at the side of your body. So your wrist and kind of where your bicep is. Do the drills, practice, and show me what you do with it. Until next time, bye bye.